Hello students, how are you? I am your science teacher Rakesh Singh. Today I discuss about chapter number 2 nutrition in animals. As you have to learn chapter number 1 nutrition in plants. As you know, the plants can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. But the animals cannot prepare their own food. It depends on other plants or other animals. Now today discuss about nutrition. What is nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. What is nutrition? Nutrition in different components as like protein, carbohydrate, vitamin, etc. are nutrients. It will get energy from to food. Today topic is digestion in human. ह्यूमन में डाइजेशन किस प्रकार होता है, हम इसका आज अध्ययन करेंगे. ह्यूमन में डाइजेशन 6 कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया गया है. फर्स्ट इज बक्कल कैविटीज, सेकेंड इज फूड पाइप और आइसोफंगस, थर्ड इज स्टोमक, फोर्थ इज स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, फाइव इज लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, सिक्स इज रेक्टम एंड एनस. आप इस चित्र के माध्यम से समझ सकते हैं कि कौन कहां पर स्थित है. The component of food such as carbohydrate and complex substance, these complex substances cannot be utilized such as, so they are broken down into simpler substances. The breakdown of complex component of food in simpler substances is called digestion. मानव शरीर में किस प्रकार फूड का डाइजेशन होता है, हम इसके विषय में आज समझेंगे. सबसे पहले फर्स्ट बक्कल कैविटी. इस चित्र के माध्यम से आप समझ सकते हैं बक्कल कैविटी. We take in food through the mouth, digest and utilize the unused part of the food and defected. Have you ever wondered that happened to food inside the body? The mouth and buccal cavity. The mouth and buccal cavity. First क्या है? The mouth and buccal cavity. Food is taken into the body through the mouth. The process of taking food into the body is called that ignition. हम जो भी खाना खाते हैं मुख के द्वारा अंदर होता है, हम इस प्रक्रिया को हम कहते हैं इंजेशन. द प्रोसेस ऑफ टेकिंग फूड इनटू द बॉडी इज कॉल्ड दैट इंजेशन. सेकंड होता है फूड आर आइसोफंगस, फूड पाइप आर आइसोफंगस. We know the food with the teeth and break down mechanically into the small pieces. Each tooth is rooted in separate socket in gums. The solid food passes into the food pipe or isosphincter. The food pipe run along the neck and the chest. Food is passed down by the movement of the wall food pipe. Actually, the movement takes place through the alimentary canal and pushes food downward. At the time, the food is not accepted by our stomach and is pumping out. Third is stomach. The stomach is thick wall bag. Its shape is like a flattened J and it is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It is the received food from the food pipe at one end, the open into the small intestine at the other. The inner lining of the stomach secreted mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices. The mucus protects the lining of stomach. The acid kills many bacteria that enter along with the food and make the medium of the stomach acidic. The help of digestive juices is act the digestive juice break down in the protein and the simpler substances. Number fourth is small intestine. The small intestine is highly coiled and is about 7.5 meter long. It receives secretion from the liver and pancreas. Beside its wall also secreted juices. The liver is a reddish brown gland situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. It is the largest gland in the body. It secretes bile juice that is stored in the sac called is gallbladder. The bile plays the important role in the digestive of fat. The pancreas is the large cream colored gland located just below the stomach. The pancreatic juice act hydrocarbohydrate, fat, protein and change into the simpler form. Then the digestive food can now passes into blood vessel in the wall of intestine. This process is called that absorption. The digested food can now passes into the blood vessel in the wall of the intestine. This process is called that absorption. The inner wall of the small intestine have 2000 of like finger-like structure is called that villi. The proteins required by the body, complex substance such as protein required by the body, this is called that assimilation. In the cells, glucose break down with the help of oxygen and into carbon dioxide and water and energy to release. The food that remains undigested absorbed into the large intestine. The large intestine is the wider and shorter than small intestine. It is about 1.5 meter in length. Its function is to absorb water and some salt from the undigested food material. The remaining waste material or food material passes into the rectum and remains there, removed to the anus. From the time to time, this is called that ejection. The fecal matter is removed through the anus from time to time. This is called that ejection.